The Jeep, the Jeep, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, right? Uh, been working on it. The engine has a ping ping ping, ting ting or whatever. I haven't quite figured it out exactly what it is, but I'm getting ready to check the oil and go get my my fluorescent light hung up again. I'm gonna check the oil, stuff like that. I'll probably turn it on, just let it run and warm up a little bit as well. I already got my fluorescent light hung up. I'm gonna start the engine. Well, the fluorescent light didn't want to come on for some crazy reason, but I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine just so it'll warm up, and you'll be able to hear the ping 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 sound. But it is running better after replacing the PVC valve and that hose going over, and the check valve on the brake thing over there. But anyway, you'll hear it. Just hang on just a minute. Come on, fluorescent light, work. All right. Well, let me get it started. All right. And it sounds hot too. So, all right, let me check that oil real quick just to see what we got. I didn't run it very long. I just didn't want to run it very long. That one says engine oil on it. Can you see that? Yeah, I guess you can. That one says engine oil, and that one's transmission. Anyway, let me pull the engine oil out, clean this off as I go. Gotta figure out how to read this thing. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's two dots there. There's one there and there. So if it's below that dot, you need to add. If it's below that dot in that area, it's safe. It says do not overfill. But you know what? It didn't look like there was much on there. It says, also in here it says, see owner's manual for oil type. So, whoop. Make sure you don't get junk on it, because you want junk back down in your engine. Put it back down in that tube there. Run it down in there. Bring it back up. Look at it. Well, there's a bunch of oil on it. I don't know. Could just be all up in that tube for all I know. Sometimes you can just take that and smell it. And if it smells burned, then you pretty much know it's burning it bad. But it doesn't have a bad smell to it. It smells like oil to me. Let's try that again. I don't know. It's hard to tell how much you got in it because it's all over this darn thing. Oh well. Probably what I need to do is just drain it all out. Yeah, well, the reason they say run your engine until it's nice and hot, or, good warm engine, is so that all that oil sitting in the pan, gets distributed throughout your engine. That way you kind of get a better reading, I guess. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oil. And I'm going to see if that affects that ping, ping, ping sound. Whew. All right. And then right here is where we add the oil. It says engine oil for gasoline engines, see owner's manual. But that thing comes out. I need to replace that. Somebody put tape all over it. So I'm guessing it just wasn't getting a good seal. But I'm going to get some oil and throw in there. Turn this off so I can go find my oil. All right, I found some 10W30 motor oil. And funnel. See what? 10W30. That one's full. 10W30. This one's got like half there. And the funnel will sit here in that hole, but I need to clean my funnel first. You always need to make sure everything's nice and clean so you don't get dirt and gunk all down inside your engine. Because dirt in the engine, isn't a good thing. I had one time where I had a funnel that had a much longer little spout on it, and had spiders making a home up in there. It was full of spider webs, and big old fat ugly spider. I didn't want that inside my engine either, so. But anyway, I got a different funnel. Well, it says pint funnel. I don't know why it says that. I guess it holds a pint. I guess, well, no, that's a quart there. Oh, well, whatever. Anyway, you sit right there. Put that right there. I'm going to empty out this one because this one's doesn't have a whole lot in it. It's got some in it, but not a heck of a whole lot. So I'll just go ahead and pour that in there. Ooh, it's cold out here. Ooh. I come out here and get cold, and it makes me want to go pee. My feet are cold. My hands are cold. My nose is cold. My ears are cold. Hurry up. Just droopy, droopy, droopy. All right. I'm guessing that was maybe a third of this. I guess I can throw that away now. I'm going to go ahead and add this one. If I end up with a little bit too much oil in there, I guess that's fine for now. I don't think it's going to be too much oil at all. I think it may be lacking a little bit of oil. So I'm just going to pour it right in. So that'll be a quart and a third of a quart added to it here. Using a funnel really, really helps. Keeps you from making a mess and spilling it everywhere. Alright. Alright, I guess that's good enough. Set these aside. Grab a funnel. Hold it like that so it doesn't drip everywhere. Go ahead and throw that back in there. Excuse me. Alright. I'm gonna hop in there and start that engine, see if that changes the sound of it any. Didn't really change the sound, did it? It's a little smoke. Oh, hi. You doing okay? I've just been working on it. I got the brakes fixed. Yep. I made a video. Put a video together in there right now. But I got the brakes fixed. Now I got to figure out the knocking and ticking sound in the engine. That's what I'm trying to do now. Do you hug? But the nose is running. Love you. Go on inside and wash up, get warm, and relax, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Alright, my fluorescent lights still don't want to come on for some crazy reason. I'm guessing it just don't like being out in the hot. The heat. I mean the cold. Jeez. Come on, fluorescent light. Okay, that's not okay. Well, I guess I'll decide to come on when it's ready. Darn no fluorescent light. Okay. I'm gonna start it up again. so I may have to tear into that engine. I'm going to do the old hearing test. I'm going to put this end against the metal on the engine. I'm going to put my ear against this end. I'm going to listen. I can hear things in there spinning around. Things. I hear, yeah, I hear odds and ends in there, but I'm hearing more of a trying to match it up with the ping ping ping. To me, it sounds like it's coming from more back here than up here. It sounds like it's coming from back there, not up here. So it's got to be either one of these pistons or a valve down here. So I'm going to have to take this valve cover off and get in there and look. Maybe find out the specs for tightening all the nuts and bolts and stuff. Do some inspecting, kind of figure out what I've got going on in here. I'll also be able to see if it's been getting oil up in there good.